Hello friends, welcome to Rajasthani Sisters. Janmashtami is a grand festival celebrated all over India to commemorate the birth of Lord Krishna. Janmashtami is celebrated 8 days after Raksha Bandhan. This is the day when Bal Krishna is worshipped or Krishna in his infant form is worshipped by all of us. So friends, here I bring 18 plus ways to help you celebrate this Krishna Janmashtami at home, in your society or at school. But before starting this video, I request you to please subscribe to my channel if you like the video and share this video with your family and friends. I also request you to press the bell icon and stay tuned with my upcoming videos. So let's start. Idea number 1. Welcome Krishna with a footstep rangoli. Draw a rangoli and make tiny Krishna footsteps leading to your house. Typically we use rice flour and water mixture for this. Not too runny, not too thick, and the toe prints can be made using fingertips. It is considered auspicious to have Krishna's footsteps leading to your house and is said to bring lots of happiness. Idea number 2. Host a Dahi Handi indoors. During childhood, Lord Krishna would often steal butter that gopis would prepare. After this incident, Krishna was given the name Makhan Chor. You can tie a small earthen pot with buttermilk in the middle of the room. Get the kids blindfolded and have them break this miniature dahi handi. For minimum mess, you could also fill it up with sweets instead of buttermilk. Idea number 3. Aarti Thal decoration for Janmashtami. Buy glitter foam sheets in green, light blue and dark blue color. Cut them in peacock feather shape. Cut each sheet in 3 different sizes, stick them together and your thali is ready for Janmashtami. Idea number 4. Decorate your home. If you want to decorate your home traditionally, go with flowers, toran and lights, or even you can make small theme based decoration on this special day. Or you can simply decorate the house with frills, balloons and banners as we do on our birthdays. You can also make a little child cut the cake on this day. Idea number 5. Idol of Lord Krishna. You can guide your kid to create Krishna's idol out of Play-Doh, paper mache clay. You can also decorate the clay idol with clothes, ornaments and a piece of peacock feather on its head. Idea number 6. Create Krishna's village scene. The word jhaki means to look into the past. Hence, Janmashtami jhakis are arranged on the different themes related to the past life of Lord Krishna, his childhood, boyhood, his Ras Leela and other incidents of his life. You can ask the kids to set up their jhakis using clay, colored sands, clay dolls, animals, their toys, etc. Tell them to design a village scene using their own toys. Your children will definitely enjoy this activity and it will enhance their creativity. Idea number 7. Decorate a bansuri or flute. No Krishna costume is complete without a flute or bansuri. You can buy a decorated flute as part of the costume or get a plain one and decorate it using silver and golden ribbons, shiny washi tape or gota and embellishments. Idea number 8. Make a Krishna Janmashtami peacock crown. While the Lord wears many ornaments, his constant accessory is a peacock feather in his hair. You can have fun making Krishna's peacock crown with paper and you can also make jewelry out of paper at home. Idea number 9. Decorate a Dahi Handi. Dahi Handi depicts the mischievous acts of Lord Krishna. With bigger kids, you can decorate a real mud pot with watercolors and peacock feathers. On the other hand, smaller kids can draw and decorate the Dahi Handi on paper with bright colors and decorate it using cotton and small mirrors. Idea number 10. Create and decorate Krishna Jhula. A statue of baby Krishna is placed in a swing decorated with flowers and soft pillows with richly decorated cushions. You can create one at home using your creative ideas. Idea number 11. Hand puppets of Radha Krishna. You can make the hand puppets of Radha Krishna and enact a scene of their life. Idea number 12. Create peacock feather party favors. These feather pen favors can be created in your choice of colors to complement your beautiful Krishnashtami celebrations. Wrap a satin ribbon around the pen and stick a peacock feather at the end. Idea number 13. Daddle in some Krishna coloring activities. If you are looking for a way to keep the kids occupied while you go about your preparations, you can hand over them some Krishna themed coloring pages, which you can download online and get them printed. There are many to choose from, so you can be sure to keep the kids busy for a while. Idea number 14. Create Janmashtami greeting card. Draw the pictures of the baby Krishna, flute and peacock feathers and color them using crayons and sketch pens. Try this cool Janmashtami activity for kids and add more fun to the celebration. Idea number 15. Dress up like Radha or Krishna on Krishna Janmashtami. Kids can be dressed up to resemble little Krishnas and little Radhas. Dress up your own kid with bright colored traditional dresses and ornaments made using white flowers. Place the peacock feather crown on the head and give them a flute in the hand. Idea number 16. Read some fun books on Krishna. Gift your kids storybooks having short stories of Lord Krishna, such as Amma, Tell Me About Krishna. Encourage your child to read the stories from the book. Idea number 17. Visit your local ISKCON temple. A visit to ISKCON temple, if they are in your city, must be on your list on Janmashtami. There are special celebrations, shows and activities on this day in the temple which can truly invigorate your senses. The chants, the songs and special pujas will make it a learning experience. Take your kids to the ISKCON temple on this day to enjoy various cultural activities and shows that are performed on this day. Idea number 18. Ask kids to join Janmashtami prayers. Play one of the series of Janmashtami prayers and encourage your kids to learn the prayers. On the Janmashtami day, tell your children to recite the prayers for Lord Krishna's blessings. My other ideas includes buy new dress or stitch one for little Krishna's idol, prepare delicious sweet delicacies for Lord Krishna's birthday, spread the joy of his birth by giving food and clothes to the needy. So friends, I hope you will definitely choose one of these ideas to celebrate this festival of Janmashtami. If you like the video, then please subscribe and share this video and tell us the best idea you like in the comment section. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Wish you all a very happy Janmashtami.